मेरी किताबें हैं। These are my books. These are my books. मैंने अभी तक खाया नहीं है। I have not eaten yet. I have not eaten yet. तुम्हारी नौकरी कैसी चल रही है? How is your job going? How is your job going? मैं फ्री होकर आपको कॉल करूँगी। I will call you once I get free. I will call you once I get free. क्या तुम अच्छे से सोए? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? मैं सेब खा रहा हूँ। I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया। I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. उसे किताब पढ़नी थी। She had to read the book. She had to read the book. तुम हमेशा आलू ही क्यों खाते हो? Why do you always eat potatoes? Why do you always eat potatoes? वह खेलने वाला था। He was about to play. He was about to play. बस आने वाली थी। The bus was about to arrive. The bus was about to arrive. वह मुझसे लंबी है। She is taller than me. She is taller than me. आज लंच में क्या है? What is for lunch today? What is for lunch today? मैं तुम्हें बताना ज़रूरी नहीं समझती। I don't consider it necessary to tell you. I don't consider it necessary to tell you. अब बताने का क्या फ़ायदा? What's the use of telling now? What's the use of telling now? शांत हो जाओ। Be quiet. Be quiet. मुझे हर हाल में वहाँ जाना ही था। I had to go there by all means. I had to go there by all means. बात करना बंद करो। Stop talking. Stop talking. मुझे लगता है अब हम शुरू कर सकते हैं। I think we can start now. I think we can start now. मैं शाकाहारी हूँ। I am a vegetarian. I am a vegetarian. क्या आप चाय पियेंगे? Would you have tea? Would you have tea? आपने नाश्ता कब किया था? When did you have breakfast? When did you have breakfast? आइए भोजन परोस दिया गया है। Come, the meal has been served. Come, the meal has been served. पीछे क्यों छिप रहे हो? Why are you hiding behind? Why are you hiding behind? तुम्हारे चेहरे पर कुछ लगा हुआ है। There is something on your face. There is something on your face. तुम मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? Why are you after me? Why are you after me? आइए खाना खा लीजिए। प्लीज़ कम एंड हैव फूड। प्लीज़ कम एंड हैव फूड। नाश्ता तैयार है। ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ रेडी। ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ रेडी। ठंडी हवा से उसके होठ फट गए हैं। द कोल्ड वाइंड हैज़ चैप्ड हर लिप्स। द कोल्ड वाइंड हैज़ चैप्ड हर लिप्स। नौकरी ढूंढ लो। फाइंड अ जॉब। फाइंड अ जॉब। बेड चाहिए। हैव अ सीट। हैव अ सीट। और वह क्या खाता? What else could he eat? What else could he eat? और हम कहाँ जाते? Where else could we go? Where else could we go? बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मैं कभी बहाने नहीं बनाता। I never make excuses. I never make excuses. क्या तुम बहाने बनाते हो? Do you make excuses? Do you make excuses? तुम मेरी दोस्ती के लायक नहीं हो। You don't deserve my friendship. You don't deserve my friendship. मैं जो भी खर्च करती हूँ उसका हिसाब रखती हूँ। I keep a record of everything I spend. I keep a record of everything I spend. तुम आगे आगे बोलते हो। You speak out of turn. You speak out of turn. दरवाजे से मत खेलो वरना हाथ आ जाएगा। Don't play with the door or you'll squeeze your hand. Don't play with the door or you'll squeeze your hand. शायद मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही मांग रहा हूँ। Perhaps I'm asking too much. Perhaps I'm asking too much. वो काफ़ी दूर है। चलो बस कर लेते हैं। That's too far. Let's take the bus. That's too far. Let's take the bus. मैं आपकी तरह बोलना चाहता हूँ। I want to speak like you. I want to speak like you. मुझे करना क्या है? What do I have to do? What do I have to do? तुम ध्यान क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you pay attention? Why don't you pay attention? इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलेगा. You won't get it so easily. You won't get it so easily. आपकी आवाज़ रुक रुक कर आ रही है. Your voice is coming in and out. Your voice is coming in and out. इसे ऐसे नहीं किया जाता. This is not the way to do it. This is not the way to do it. मैं दिखाता हूँ कि इसे कैसे करते हैं. Let me show you how to do this. Let me show you how to do this. मेरी चाबियाँ खो गईं. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I don't have anything to do with him. I don't have anything to do with him. आप यहाँ कैसे? What brings you here? What brings you here? उसने मेरा खाना अपवित्र कर दिया. He defiled my food. He defiled my food. मुझे सर्दी है. I've got a cold. I've got a cold. किससे बात कर रहे थे इतनी देर से? Who were you talking to for so long? Who were you talking to for so long? तुम्हारी मनमानी हमेशा नहीं चलेगी. Your tantrums will not be accepted always. Your tantrums will not be accepted always.